This year we are celebrating our 50th birthday. From the NDP Exco, we have planned for a larger scale firework and hope to reach as much as possible spectators. The next firing site is this barge at the Marina Bay itself. This is the biggest we ever built, 300 meter by 150. The main reason why we built this is to have a broader frontage for the entire people that are watching around here. This is called a 6-inch shell. Okay, so how we do is we take this, okay, we'll just slop it in, okay, secure it, and once it's secured, we have to waterproof this. When the signal gives in, it will ignite this igniter, it will go in, it will fire off the charges, it will bring this whole thing all the way to the sky, and then once it bursts over there, the stars that inside will create the effects, whether it's the flower, red color, blue color.